Welcome back everybody to beautiful Haulover Inlet and Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. And you can tell it's going to be an interesting day when we see a big sea hunter like this come through and it's still getting rocked and rolled by the inlet. Going to be interesting to see how the rest of our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet in our best of 5 competition. Let's go ahead and get our competition started as we'll move into the first round. And here we go. And man, this is not a good idea. We've got a Tahoe making its way out of Haulover. I mean, fenders out, they're trying to be safe. Man, we take a smack up front, and these guys in the bow are gonna be feeling that one. I can't believe they're even attempting to ride in the bow, but it looks like we're almost overloaded. I mean, we've got 3 people in the back seat, 2 in the middle seats, and 3 in the bow. That's quite a bit of crew for this size boat coming through Haulover on a day like today. But I'm kind of shocked right now. They don't do anything crazy. They make it out. I've pretty much got to give a win to the boats there, and the boats take a win in the first round. Let's see how our second round contestant does as they continue to make their way out of Haulover as well. And man, these guys are taking a few shots up front. They've got a good riding attitude. They've got the bow exceptionally high, but that's going to make for an interesting way out because they've actually almost got the bow too high. Here we go. They're taking a few smacks. They're coming out just a hair slow. They need just a little bit more throttle to get this boat to plane out a little bit. But man, these guys are taking a beating and they go big here. Boom, everybody goes down. Look at our guy on the left just hanging on to the captain's seat for dear life. I mean, they don't do anything crazy, but they took a hell of a ride, and I'm actually going to go ahead and give Haulover the win for giving him that ride, and that'll bring us back to a 1-1 tie as we move into the third round of our competition. And here in the third round of our competition, we're going to see a Hydra Sports working its way out of Haulover. This crew's got a pretty good pace. They know exactly what they need to do with their boat. 1, they're hugging the south side of the inlet. 2, they've barely got it up on plane, letting the boat do the work. It's still a little bit of a rough ride, but these guys won't have any issues, and we'll take a win for the boats in the third round. And now our fourth round competitor will step in the ring, and man, we got some bow riders. This is not a good idea. I mean, our guy's kicking his foot around, but I'll tell you what, this could go wrong in a hurry pretty easily. I'm torn on this one, even if they make it out. I think this is just such a poor idea right here, but our guys are doing all right. They've got the boat moving, but honestly, just one wave over the bow of this thing, and we've got people in the water. It is a rough ride right here as well. It's not like they're just taking it easy. They look like they're going to make it out and everything's going to be okay, but me personally, I just can't condone this. I'm going to have to give this boat a loss and Haulover the win here in this round. And this will bring us to our 5th and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And here we go. It looks like we got a Sea Hunt Gamefish 25 coming into Haulover. Now these guys, it does appear, are going to take the more traditional approach, which is probably the right move here for this size of vessel, which is take it easy, try and post up on the back of a wave and just ride it in slow, and you just got to make sure that the wave behind you doesn't catch up to you, because if it does when you take this approach, it can easily push that bow forward and you'll wind up surfing right into the back of another wave and things can go wrong in a hurry. But this crew looks like they've got it down and they should have no issues coming in, and they'll take a win for the boats here in the 5th round, and the boats will take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.